Today's lesson is on two-step mole conversions. I'm going to be going over two different problems today that I'll be posting in the description to help you learn how to do two-step mole conversions. The thing you're going to have to keep in mind is that moles is always going to serve as our kind of middleman unit between a count, a number of objects, and the mass. So, problem number one, solve for the number of molecules in a 32.5 gram sample of water, H2O. So, I need to solve for the number of molecules, and I'm given grams. So, looking here at my chart, I'm going to have to go through moles. This next fraction here has to have grams on the bottom to cancel it and introduce the concept of the mole. This fraction is going to be the molar mass. It's grams per mole. The molar mass of H2O is 18. Oxygen weighs 16 grams per mole. H weighs 1. 1 plus 1 plus 16, 18. Now my grams have canceled, and I need to cancel moles in order to get to molecules. Well, in 1 mole, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules. So, now I'm going to go to my calculator, I'm going to multiply all the numbers across the top, and divide by all the numbers across the bottom. This looks like 32.5 times 6.02 exponent 23, and then this number divided by 18. And I'm going to end up with 1.09 times 10 to the 24 molecules. Next problem, we're going to be going the other way. We're going to start with a count and try to get to mass. This problem says, find the mass of a sample of titanium 2 chloride that contains 3.0 times 10 to the 21 formula units. Titanium chloride, titanium 2 chloride, has a formula of this. So, I need to cancel my number of units, my number of objects, and I need to get to mass. In order to do that, just like in the last problem, I'm going to have to go through moles. One mole contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd objects, and now my number of objects is canceled. In order to cancel mole, I'm going to have to put it at the bottom of my next fraction, and then have up here the mass of 1 mole of titanium 2 chloride. With a little bit of rounding, that mass is 118 grams. When I go to my calculator, I'm going to multiply across the top, divide across the bottom, just as I did in the last problem, and that's going to look like 3.0 exponent 21 times 118 divided by 6.02 exponent 23. This means that if I have 3.0 times 10 to the 21 formula units of titanium 2 chloride, that's going to weigh 0.59 grams.